I'm finished.
Monsieur Blair, j'arrive. Arrête. Comment ça va?
Oui, ça va bien, merci.
Oh,
Et
bien,
vous?
bien. Oui, vous. He keeps on
Et
saying
tu?
vous, which means it's very formal, which means I don't think he's actually my friend.
Well,
Right, look at this, guys. Look at that. That was yesterday's work. Not too shabby, eh? So you might be wondering why we left that lower down there. And that's simply because we're going to have gravel or soil or something that's going to go up to there. That is literally there to take the downpipe, which comes down and into here. And then this pipe is going to connect onto all the other ones and eventually go off down there. I say this a lot, I repeat myself quite a bit. It's worth bearing in mind because some people always wonder, well, what are you up to? Today, our first port of call is we are going to take this tiny, tiny, barely weighs a thing step and we're going to put it in there. So Weetabix has been eaten and wish us luck.
get it in.
This will bead a bit. We've got to mix up yet and stuff like that. But essentially, if I lift that up, can you pull this one out?
And down.
There you go. That's it. And then we'll just, we will just basically move ourselves along like that. That's it. Lifty, just straight up. That's a move. Yeah, that's it. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's too much.
Too much. Do you know what we should do?
Yeah.
Should check that I've cut it right.
Well, yeah, 'cause we need to take this one too.
No, I shouldn't have to. That's 12.05 and that is 1215. So I've allowed 5mm.
Okay.
Oh, I've got that wrong. I've got that wildly wrong. Rich! Okay, back out he goes.
Yep.
That's it. And again, 1, 2, 3. There you go. That's it. That's alright, doesn't matter, mate. Right. I like your elephant impression. Right. I measured from the front and not from the back yesterday. More speed, less haste. Right, got to get the digger, we've got to pull it back out again, and I've got to cut these off. Curva!
Right,
Left.
left, right.
On it. That's it. Right, you just keep your weight on there.
Not bad, not bad. That's very nice.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. We are.
Come on.
Huh?
We're
Too high. Right, we're going that way.
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3. Bit more, mate. Come on, keep on going. We can't go all the way down. In a big room.
Yep.
Well done, bud.
Oh, hold on.
Contenders!
Ready.
Ready! Right, on three. 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
Lovely.
Yeah, that's like...
You don't want that side going down, we only want this side going down.
Oh, good.
It's going that way.
Oh, I see.
So we're nearly there. Yeah, not there though. We'll build a little platform next to it and see what we can do. All right.
Yep.
So you'll be on levering. Go on up.
Yep.
Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on.
Yep.
Go on up as far as you can.
Yep. Yep.
Right down. Let's see. Have a little look and see. Another way, Richard. Oh, now. That guy. After we've had lunch, would you give us a hand to take this plastic off? Right, nice to do that now. There we go. That is today. The step and the missteps on the step has meant that we didn't get quite as far as we were hoping to. We were hoping to get this bit of Canavo in here, but no matter, we are ready to go. So first thing tomorrow morning, that mixer, it's going on, and we're going to mix up and we're going to be bedding in here, and then off we go all the way down through there. It's going to work. I hope you enjoyed this one. Like and subscribe and hype if you'd like to, and we will see you next time. Bye bye.